So how was that?
Oh, David is great. You are an amazing chiropractor. I've had experiences with others, not degrading them by any means. They're just different style. But from head to toe, neck to my ankle, to hip, back, I can breathe better. Thank you so much. You're an amazing chiropractic, man. I just hope you know that. I know you know that.
Well, it's people like you that's what I care about is the results that are coming out of you. And that, Clifton, I have no words to say other than thank you. And I knew that it took you a while to get here and you were referred. So thank you for sharing that with me. And again, I really, that's very touching. Thank you.
Well, good. I'm sincere because I right now I work harder than I have worked in years, and I don't have the problems that I've had in the past because I've been coming to you.
So your patients, because
My
massage
my
therapists,
clients, yeah,
my clients.
yeah.
So they're appreciating your newfound body in essence.
I think so because I've got more energy. I'm not broken down after working on 2 hard clients. Now I can work on 8.
Wow.
No problem. So
That's awesome.
now I'm tired, but I'm not hunched over, can't breathe, none of that stuff anymore.
Well, it's like I remember on the first visit I'd said to you, it's like as the vehicle gets older, it needs more maintenance.
Yeah.
As it gets older, it squeaks louder.
Yeah.
So I'm glad that it's not squeaking, and I'm glad you're maintaining, and that makes me very happy. Thank you for sharing that with me.
You're welcome. Appreciate it.